Hello, my dear children. I hope you all are doing well. Now, today in computers, we shall start a new lesson, and the name of the lesson is Parts of a Computer, lesson number 2. So, parts of a computer, just as our body has different parts, a computer also has different parts. So, you see, this is our body. We have different parts: head, hands, legs, eyes, and feet. Every part in our body has some specific functions to perform. For example, eyes are used for seeing, hands for writing, legs for walking, and many other functions are there of the different parts of our body. Similarly, a computer also has different parts. A computer has 4 main parts. These parts together help a computer system to work. So children, in this lesson we shall learn the computer and its 4 parts. Okay, now, what are the parts? CPU, keyboard, monitor and mouse. So we shall learn these 4 parts of a computer in our lesson number 2. Now, functions of a computer parts. Now you will learn about the functions of different computer parts. These parts will tell you about their functions themselves. So what is the monitor telling about itself? It is telling, I am a monitor. I look like a television screen. I display everything that you do on a computer. So children, a monitor looks like a television screen, our TV at home. A monitor is used to display drawings, words, games, cartoons, etc. So when you draw, when you write something, okay, you are typing something, you are playing games on the computer, or you are watching a cartoon, everything is displayed on the computer monitor. Okay children? So this is the main function of the monitor, to display whatever we are doing. Next is the keyboard. So the keyboard is telling, I am a keyboard. I have small buttons called keys. I am also used to type words or numbers on the computer. So keyboard, main function of the keyboard is to type words or numbers on a computer. So whenever we are typing something, we are writing something, isn't it? We use these keys, okay? So we type with the help of these keys. And what do we type? Here are number keys, here are alphabet keys, okay children? So, and what are these small buttons on the keyboard called? These are called the keys. Now next, number 3, we have the CPU. Look at the CPU. It looks like a box, okay? And it is telling, I am a CPU, which stands for Central Processing Unit. I am the brain of a computer. I control all the parts of a computer. I do all types of calculations. So what is the CPU telling? It is telling that I am the central processing unit. Okay. So why it is the central processing unit? Because it controls everything that we do on a computer. Okay. Calculations or any other such things. Now it is also called the brain of a computer because it controls everything. So children, we move on to point number 4, that is the mouse. Okay, it's not the mouse which we find at home, which eats our food and spoils all things, isn't it? What is it telling? It is telling, I am a computer mouse. I have 2 buttons and a scroll wheel. Okay, so you can see the buttons. This is the right button and this is the left button, and in between you see this is the scroll wheel, which helps us to turn the pages in a computer monitor. Okay, and it also helps us to draw, paint and play games. Without a mouse, playing games would be very difficult, isn't it, children? I know many of you must be playing games on a computer. Now I'm used to move the mouse pointer on the screen. Have you seen a mouse pointer? It looks something like this arrow. Okay, whenever you open the computer and you'll see on the screen an arrow is moving, and that is called the mouse pointer. And children, a mouse helps us to move the mouse pointer. Now the one I am using is a laser pointer, okay, but this is also moving with the help of a mouse. So I can show you, I can point things, I can tell him this is a mouse, this is a computer monitor, it's a laptop, okay, this is a child, this is a boy, this is a mouse pointer. So all these things the mouse is helping me to do. So children, we come to the end of the chapter, and after reading the chapter, we understand that a computer has 4 main parts. We know that a monitor looks like a TV screen. We know that a keyboard has buttons called keys. We know that CPU is the brain of a computer. We also know that a mouse helps us to paint and play games. So children, that's all in the chapter, computer and its parts, okay? So I hope it's very clear to you all the parts of a computer and its functions. Now children, any problem, you want to know something, please let me know, okay? You message me, you call me. Now children, that's all for today. I will see you again in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.